How to set up for small channel to get more views. This is my practical way. Step-by-step guide to setting up and growing your small YouTube channel like me. The good news is that the algorithm now focuses more on viewer response than on subscriber count, meaning a new video from a small channel can outrank one from an established creator. I will try setting by that ways below. Step 1. Foundation and channel setup. First impressions matter. Set your channel up for success from day one. Name and visuals. Pick a name that reflects your niche. Upload a profile picture 800x800px. Use your face if possible. And a channel. Banner 2560x 440px. Channel description. Write a short, keyword-rich description answering what is your content about? Who is it for? What can viewers expect? Channel keywords in YouTube Studio. Settings, channel, basic info. Add 5 or 10 keywords that describe your channel to help the algorithm categorize your content. Channel trailer. Create a short, 60-second trailer that explains the value you provide to new visitors. Step 2. Content and packaging strategy. Your content is king, but how you package it is what gets it noticed. Create searchable content. Focus on topics people are already searching for. Solve a specific problem or cover a comprehensive topic to attract new viewers. Master thumbnails and titles. Spend as much time on your thumbnail and title as you do on the video itself. They must work together to deliver on the video's promise. Hook viewers early. The first 30 seconds are critical. Clearly state the value of the video up front to keep people watching. Optimize playlists. Don't just dump videos into a list. Create playlists that act like a TV series, guiding viewers to watch more of your content in a logical sequence. Step 3. Leverage the 2026 algorithm. YouTube always offers specific tools to help small channels get discovered. The hype feature. This feature allows fans to endorse videos from creators with under 500k subscribers. When a viewer hypes your video, it gains visibility on regional leaderboards. Mix shorts and long form. The Shorts feed is at the heart of YouTube's discovery system. A single engaging short can introduce thousands of new viewers to your channel. Use Shorts to funnel viewers to your long-form content. Step 4. Analytics and growth. Focus on the metrics that matter for growth. Click-through rate, CTR. This is the percentage of people who click on your video after seeing it. Aim for 4 to 10%. Average view duration. This measures how long people watch your video. Aim for a retention rate of 35–50% for a new channel. Consistency over frequency. You don't need to upload daily. What matters more is showing up consistently. The 40 video milestone. For most focused creators, reaching 1,000 subscribers typically takes between 3 to 6 months with consistent uploads. Small channels often need around 40 videos to reach. This video I will combine all videos short to get 3 minutes shown. Thanks for watching.